Phone mounts. We all use them, and so I'm going to be looking at this automotive one, but I'm going to be using it to mount it to other things as well, so you can see the versatility of it. And this is the mount, so it's super easy to adjust it. It's got a little bit of resistance, so that's just so it can hold its position, but here you have it. This is your mount, and you can use any phone that supports the magnetic attraction and mount it like that. Your phone is here, it's chilling right there. You can have it just going like this, like across from a wall. You could have it mounted on your car dash, and this dial adjusts the suction that it can produce. Go ahead and mount it somewhere. Adjusting it all the way to the left unlocks it, and then adjusting it all the way to the right will lock it. Sweet. That's super firm, super solid. I can move my whole computer case with this. All right, let's try to take it off. So we will untwist it this way and pull it off. If you are gonna be moving this around from place to place a lot, may I suggest keeping the little part that it comes with, that it goes on the bottom to protect it during shipping. That way, when you move it, you can always just make sure that no dust or dirt gets on the bottom. But this is super compact and it's super handy. I might travel with this because I do a lot of media shoots where I use my phone as like a viewfinder, and when I have a rental car, it would be nice to use this as a mount, especially because I can reuse it by closing it up and then opening it back up and taking it with me wherever I go, and it can go from this to super collapsible like this, and that's the whole size of it. So if you want one of these magnetic phone mounts, I'll have it in the description below the like button. If you have a better mount that you prefer, let me know what it is. I would like to know it and possibly check it out.